Summary. In this video, we are just going to get a brief summary of what we learned in this entire course. So let's get started. So what did we actually learn in this course? First of all, we learned about the deep dark web. What is it and why is it hidden? In this lecture, we are not going to discuss the points deeply, but just the topics we learned. We learned the general difference between both the webs, their contents, and browsers we use to access them. Tor browser. We discussed about the Tor browser. As you know, it is used to access the deep dark web. We also discussed about the anonymity factor, which keeps Tor running and in demand. We also discussed about the security measures to be taken care of before accessing the deep dark web. In the installing Tor lecture, blockchain technology. It's the way through which Tor browser as well as the Bitcoin transfer takes place. Anonymity. Of course, we discussed about it a lot in this course. It actually protects the identity as well as the privacy of a user while surfing on the internet. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies which can be used for trading or even purchasing on the dark web. Types and scope. Well, there are many type of cryptocurrencies and they are famous because of their high volatility in their prices. We also discussed about mining a Bitcoin for free and trading them for a profit. Surfing the dark web. Well, that was the fun element of our course. We roamed in the dark web, visiting some interesting websites and had some fun. Dangers and their prevention. Well, from a safety view of aspect, this was the most important part of our course. We discussed about the threats which can be faced while surfing the deep dark web, as well as the security measures that should be taken care of while surfing. First of all, congratulations. You completed this course. This was a great journey with you. Hope to see you soon in any other course. Please do provide a feedback. May it be negative or positive, but please, guys, do provide it. It helps us to make this course even better for you guys. That's it for this lecture. Actually, this was or is my first course. So, thank you very much for showing this newbie so much love. I and our team will always be thankful for you. Thank you very, very, very much. Goodbye and see you soon.